Magnesium chloride is used in the metallurgical industry to produce metal magnesium. By melting electrolysis, liquid chlorine, and high-purity magnesia, the material can also be used for pelleting and pelleting. Magnesium chloride ball press maintenance. Mainly pay attention to the following aspects. First, the newly installed wheel is easy to loose, to check often. 2 is to pay attention to the machine parts of the work is normal. Third, pay attention to check the wear degree of easy wear parts. Pay attention to replace warm parts at any time. Fourth, when the temperature of bearing oil rises, we should stop immediately to check the reasons for removal. Fifth, if there is impact sound when the rotating gear is running, it should be stopped immediately and removed.